In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to BigCommerce in just 5 minutes. Adding products to your BigCommerce store is an essential step in making them available to your customers, and it can be done quickly and straightforwardly. To kick things off, open up your web browser and head over to the BigCommerce website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the login button. It usually sits at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a login page where you need to enter your email and password. These should be your BigCommerce account details that you set up when creating your store. Type them in carefully to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Now that you've logged in, you'll be on your BigCommerce homepage. This is your dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Look for the Products button in the menu. Click on that to proceed to your product management area. In the product management section, there's an Add button. This is what you'll use to introduce new products to your catalog. Clicking on Add will open up a new page where you can begin entering all the necessary product details. Let's start with the basic product information. Here, you'll input the name of your product, any SKU numbers, and any other identifiers that make your product stand out. Once done, move on to the product description. Make sure you provide a clear and enticing description here, as it helps customers understand what they're purchasing. Adding images and videos is up next. High quality images improve your product's appeal and attract more buyers, so choose your visual media wisely. Following this step, you should add any product identifiers like UPCs or MPNs, which can be helpful for inventory and sales tracking. The next step is pricing. Determine how much you want to sell your product for and enter that figure here. It's a good idea to keep an eye on competitor prices to ensure you're offering a competitive rate. Then there's inventory management. Input how many items you currently have in stock to ensure you don't oversell during busy periods. If you're offering different product variations such as sizes or colors, you can set these options up as well. This makes it easy for customers to choose exactly what they want. Customization settings allow you to further tailor your product offering. You can also fill in storefront details such as product categories and tags. These will help customers find your products easily. Adding search keywords is a crucial step. Keywords improve your product visibility when customers use search engines. Consider what terms a potential customer might use when looking for the type of product you're selling. Finally, make sure you've set up fulfillment details, including any shipping options and costs. Don't forget to check that your SEO and sharing settings are correctly configured so that your product pages are optimized for search engines. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, review everything to make sure there are no mistakes or omissions. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new product is now added to your BigCommerce store and ready for customers to purchase.